Tired of manually activating every redstone creation? Let's build a simple on-off button switch in Minecraft that will revolutionize how you interact with your builds. First, gather your essential materials: redstone dust, a redstone torch, and a lever. Grab any solid block and place it on the ground. Now, right-click on the side of that block to place your lever. This will be our main control point. On the opposite side of that same block, place a redstone torch. Notice how the lever's current position affects the torch's state. It's either on or off. Carefully break the block that your lever and torch are attached to. This frees up our lever to be placed anywhere later if you wish, but for this basic setup, we'll keep it here for now. Now, place a piece of redstone dust directly next to where the redstone torch was. The torch's power should now be flowing into this redstone dust. Place another solid block directly next to that piece of redstone dust. On the side of this new block, place another redstone torch. Observe as it powers up because it's receiving power from the redstone dust. Now, place redstone dust extending from this second redstone torch. This is the output of our switch. Finally, place a redstone lamp at the end of your redstone dust trail with the lever off. The lamp is off. Flip the lever, and voila! Your redstone lamp powers on. Flip it back, and it turns off. You've just created a functional on-off button switch. This simple circuit can be extended and adapted to control anything from pistons to automatic doors, making your Minecraft builds more dynamic and interactive than ever before. Experiment and have fun.